Hey, it's SgtLocksmith there. All right, we're going to do a little quick video on changing your battery out on your 5-button remote. With this one here, if your key ring is attached, you can go ahead and leave it on. I suggest using a screwdriver or something that you can actually push down on your key release. When we push down with your key ring on here, it actually helps you pull the two halves apart. And when you do, you'll notice when your emergency key comes out, you've got this opening inside. You can actually do this with your key, emergency key on here. Stick it back in, go partially in, and just rotate. And when you rotate, you see how it just opened up? That's what you want. Go ahead, pull the two halves apart. We've got the two halves. Come on the side. Be careful not to get to the plastic pieces that hold the battery down. We're going to go ahead and just lift the battery up. There you go. We're using the new remote, so we're going to put the battery back in, the same one. When you put it in, make sure you push down and you'll hear it latch. And you notice all 4 corners are latched in. Make sure your remote housing itself is pushed down and flush. Take your two halves, put them back together. And you want to make sure your release is lined up. And let's go ahead and gently squeeze it together. You'll notice it snapped together. Put your emergency key in, and there you go. You just changed your battery out. Hey, thanks again for watching SgtLocksmith. If this provided you any help, go ahead and hit that like button, leave us a comment telling us thanks.